Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Engineering Tricks. We are back with yet another interesting episode on Telegram. But before starting this video, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. You might be thinking this is just another episode on Telegram. Oh my god, there are so many videos on it. No, this is not just any episode. In this episode, we will be telling you the features of the Telegram which we think are the best. Or we'll be talking about the WhatsApp policy update which just happened recently. So let's get started. Also, there is a little twist in the video. Now, the features that I'll be telling you will be demonstrated using the Telegram desktop app, which currently I am using on my laptop. So if you still do not have any clue or do not have the idea how to get the Telegram desktop app and how to get started, please watch our video. The link I have mentioned in the description box, and there we are telling you that how to start or how to get started with the Telegram app on desktop. So let's not waste any moment and let's shoot our Telegram. Okay, Telegram. Okay, so number one thing. With the recent WhatsApp policy update, there was a chaos among the users of the WhatsApp. There was mistrust among the users. All those users, they were not sure whether WhatsApp can read their information or whether WhatsApp cannot read their information, what will happen to their privacy and everything. So even WhatsApp did issue clarifying statements, but it could not satisfy the users, and a lot of them considered switching out from WhatsApp. They thought of, let's just try another apps out there in the market, and one among them being this Telegram. So this was one thing. Now second best thing I should tell you about Telegram is that when you just click on this hamburger icon right here, the three bars that we have, when you click on this hamburger icon, there is a option which says that new group. Now in WhatsApp, of course, we can make the group. In Telegram, we can make the group. Let's just say the name of our group is Engineering Tricks. Okay, next. Now I want you to focus here. Like you should be looking at this number. This number is 2 lakh, which means that I can add up to 2 lakh members in my group. And in WhatsApp, the limit is, I guess, 250 or 260 maximum. We can add only these many members. So this is one of the very biggest advantage of Telegram. Okay, I'll create the group later. In fact, we have our own group. Next, we can create a channel in here. Now you must be wondering, what is a channel? See, channel is something which, let's say I have created a channel. Now I can distribute my content over it, and I can earn from it. I can distribute movies, or I can distribute notes, or I can distribute anything that one wants. Even the teachers out there, they are using Telegram for distributing their notes to the students, for distributing papers to the students. So let's just see how we can create a channel. Name of the channel will be Engineering Tricks, and here we will be talking about the latest updates in the tech industry. Okay, create the channel, and now it's up to me whether my channel is a public channel or a private channel. Like if I make my channel as public, so whosoever be having the name of the channel, they can join. Like anyone can join, whosoever they might be. And if I say it is going to be a private channel, then only those people with whom I'll be sharing this link can get to join the channel. And I can just save it, and I can add the members in it. And here I have created my channel. Okay. And channel, just like we have different ways of earning on YouTube, similarly channels on Telegram are a definite way to earn. And the best thing about the students out there, we can download any movie or any web series out from Telegram. I'll be giving you an example of one of my favorite series. It is Haikyuu. it is the Japanese series, and I guess that is the best one. So I can simply just scroll it, and there you can see, there we have all the episodes, like season 1 episode 1. You can see it here, season 1 episode 1, and we have season 4 and all the episodes are there. I can just go and click on this arrow, and this will start downloading my episode. And here, when my episode will be downloaded, I can simply go and watch it. So I don't have to always wait for getting Netflix screen free. In the same way, we can also download the movies. And don't worry, the movies won't be in MBs. The movies are over like 1 GB or 2 GB. They are the high quality movies. Of course, searching for movies is a bit difficult, but if you are determined, you can do that. Alright. And there is this one more feature in Telegram of secret chat. Now, I cannot demonstrate that feature to you on the desktop app because it is not right now not supported on the desktop. So, when you will open Telegram in your phone, there is a pencil icon in the bottom right corner. Now, when you click on it, it will say new secret chat. Secret chat means that the chat between you and the person with whom you are talking are encrypted, and there will be no traces on the servers of the Telegram that even that chat happened. And there will be a self-destruct timer in the chat. Let's say it will be of 20 minutes, that after 20 minutes, all the data of this chat will be deleted. So I think this feature is not there in WhatsApp. Right. Also, there is one more interesting thing. So we have downloaded it and we can watch it anytime. Let's check out the settings of the Telegram. Now, let's go to the, I guess, privacy and security. Now, what happens in WhatsApp is I can either show my last scene to everybody or my contacts, or I can just say no one can see my last scene. But here is the catch in Telegram. I can add users, like I want everyone to see my last scene, but please never share my last scene with, let's say, this guy. I don't want, and this guy will never get to see my last scene. Also, this is the same thing, that if I do not share my last scene with someone else, and I don't get to see their last scene as well. That is the same thing if I do with the phone number. I can tell with whom to share my phone number. I can even add exceptions here, and we can block users. That's pretty cool. And I can even say like who can add me to the groups and the channels out there. And also I can check how many active sessions do I have. If, let's say, somehow at a point of time I access Telegram in some on some other computer, and I can just here check in my settings, and I can terminate any active session which I think is no longer needed. So this was about the privacy and the security here, and these were all the features that we thought are the best about the Telegram. And do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment on the video.